Emily from Canada Adventure Vans. Today we're going to show you how to install our beautiful and amazing new CLIMA-SHADE rear window covers. Boom, boom. So this is our new box branding. To make sure you are getting the right product shipped to you, you can always check it. You'll have this little sticker. We are doing insulated rear window covers, just like that. So when you get this shipped out to you, open up your box. Everything will be pretty just like this. You'll have our tag and you'll be able to scan this QR code and it'll take you to this install video for you to be able to watch and know what you're doing. Also have our alcohol pads, also have that QR code as well. You're going to want those later on in the video to clean, and these are all your magnets and sticky adhesives for when you're installing these window covers. So we'll set all this aside and pull these guys out. Gonna come in their own little bag. So these will be sticking to themselves. The orientation for these is going to be not that way. It's going to be this way. So the fabric is going to have a little bit of a cut right here for this cut of the window. You can see just like that. So that's how that one's going to go. Now that we know how these are going to go up there, we're going to start with our first step, which is taking these adhesives and putting them onto the magnets. These magnets are going to go along the windowsill, which the magnets on here will then attach to. I like to use a handy dandy blade because I don't have fingernails. You're going to start with the side that does not say 3M. I'm going to peel that guy off. And that's the one that's going to go on here. Place that guy like that. That one's done. So, seems a little tedious, but these magnets are so heavy duty, it makes it so worth it. But you're going to go through every one and make sure that the 3M side is what's going to stick to your window, and this clear side with no labeling is what's going to stick to here. So we're going to go through and put every adhesive on this little magnet here. Step number one. All right, so this is our last adhesive. I like to use this knife also rather than using my nails, not only because do I not have nails, because unfortunately I'm a biter, but I don't want to get the oil that is naturally on my fingers on this adhesive. When natural oils get on adhesive, they're less likely to stick. It causes that oil to make it oily and not stick. Yeah. So we're gonna make sure that we clean this with alcohol and as well make sure our hands are clean. So just ever so lightly peeling this up, touching it on the sides, not trying to get my oil on there, placing this guy on there, and also just like with any adhesive, press down firmly, no air bubbles. And we have all of these guys ready to be mounted on there. Using the provided alcohol pads. And then just for good measures, I have more alcohol. So your magnets are going to come in here along the windowsill on the glass, so that's where we're going to be cleaning. Which good thing we are. never clean too much. And then also make sure that, yes, alcohol dries fast, but make sure that it is completely dry before sticking your adhesive on. Take a moment and wait for that to dry. All right, so we have our beautiful rear window covers, and on this side I've already put on my magnets, and I will show you that on this side as well. So you're gonna feel them, and also these guys will just attach straight on. We're gonna go along and just get these ready for ourselves when we're putting them up. When Jason was conversing with the seamstress on these, he's like, "Oh, are you sure you want that many magnets, Jason?" He goes, "Absolutely. The more, the better." So it may have been tedious to put all that adhesive on there, but Jason made sure there were enough magnets on here that these are not going to come off, not going to stay. These are amazing, and this goofy smile is because I am so impressed with this product. So let's start doing it. That is going to be this side. You can see how the cutout fits perfectly here. It was more rounded there. Again, I like to have a blade. Ooh, that's handy. So you're gonna size them up so everything, you don't see any gaps anywhere. Just like that. I like to start with this first corner guy. So I know he's gonna go right there. So I'm gonna peel off my adhesive. Here's that my little trash can. He's gonna need to go there. I'm gonna take him off. He really wants to stick on there. He's gonna go right there in that corner. A little pressure. I do my best to try and keep the magnets on this plastic line. As you can see, as you are going to start laying your magnets, that black, does get smaller and smaller, so won't always happen, but do your best. We'll go on to our next one, so that one's going to go right there. Take off our protector. Boom. Boom. Just like that. It's already starting to hold up by itself. With just 2 magnets, this thing is hanging up. Crazy. Take them off. Sides. There. See, that magnet didn't make it completely in the black because we still want it to attach, so we don't want it further under in that plastic. So don't snug your magnet under that plastic, because then this magnet will have nothing to grab onto. Two more to go. Home stretch. All right, and then that is that. Completely finished with our driver's side, and then we'll now move on to our passenger side. All right, so now that you have driver and passenger side done, easy to take on and off if you want to. The best part about them is when you stick them on and they're magneted in, you don't have to take them off. All you have to do is zip this down and you can look out your window. There's a lot of window covers that you get in the van life world is they're window covers that are magnetic and they come off completely and you have to find a place to store them. You don't have to store these anywhere. These are perfect, amazing, tucked away. You're not going to snag on them. Another little thing that Jason thought about is he likes to customize. You might want to customize. When you get it, when you get your window covers, they're gonna come stock with little brown pulleys. If you ever want to change them to yellow, orange, black, or red, you have that option. To do so, you just pull on the little loop, pull the black tab through, and then just like that. And then let's do do orange today. Feeling a little orange. Just gonna push tab through. Loop the black one in. Just like that, you now have a new pulley. So that's amazing to be able to change and customize. And there you have it, your insulated rear window covers. Welcome to CLIMA-SHADE.